Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make public profile on Snapchat. All right, let's begin. First, open Snapchat on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Wait for the profile page to load completely. After that, scroll down and find the option that says Public Profile. Tap on it, then click on OK to confirm and create your public profile. Once your public profile is ready, you will see three options appear on the screen. Select Spotlight from the available options. Next, tap on New Post to start sharing content publicly. Now, choose a video from your gallery that you want to upload. After selecting the video, click Next to proceed. Then tap on Preview to check how your video will appear on Spotlight. Once satisfied, select Spotlight as the destination and finally click on Send to publish your post publicly. So that's basically how you can make public profile on Snapchat. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.